going to show you a view of my old factory so that you have a comprehensive view of how you can demarcate your NAFDAC. When I started, I really did not have where to use for my NAFDAC. So I used the underground, which was my car park, put ties, make it very fit and clean for NAFDAC purpose. And that was how I registered my NAFDAC. So come with me. Welcome to another super beautiful episode on our channel. Just like I promised you guys that I'm going to show you a view of my old factory so that you have a comprehensive view of how you can demarcate your NAFDAC. So this old building is my boys quarter. Okay, when I started, I really did not have where to use for my NAFDAC. So I used the underground, which was my car park, put ties, make it very fit and clean for NAFDAC purpose, and that was how I registered my NAFDAC. So come with me. Okay, so this is my car park. Okay, what I just did was to use aluco bulb to cover it up. Okay, so this is the entrance to my garage. Okay, basically this is aluco board and the entrance to my garage. Okay, so when you enter, NAFDAC expects you to have the door. Guys, this door must close inward. It must not close outside. And secondly, nothing should be facing your factory that is close to any form of contamination. Dustbin, boiler, sewage system, anything that is likely to contaminate your food. NAFDAC no go gree. Okay, and your door should be closing from inside. Okay, not outside. Okay, then you need a net. Okay, the next thing is you need a cloakroom. Cloakroom is where your staff have to, when they come in, the first place they make contact with, they change their shoes, they change their clothes, they wash their hands, they cover their hair, they remove their earrings so that the food is not contaminated. Okay, you don't need something genge, just simple. Okay, this was how my cloakroom looked like this way. So this was my former cloakroom. You can see these are their apron, their hairnets. Let me wait. This is their hairnet. They have to cover their hair. Okay, they need to wash their hands with just a small washing hand basin. Okay, they need to sanitize their hand. So and change everything. Okay, this is the cloakroom. Okay, after the cloakroom, you need a packaging material room, something very small, not like genge. Okay, so with it's just make sure that all your things are not staying on the ground. You have either a stainless steel. If you don't have money to buy stainless steel, you can use a wood and cover it, which was what I did. I said when I started, it was not really easy for me, so I have to make do with what I have. Then the next room is the raw material room, where you keep your raw material. Okay, and again, you don't keep your raw materials on the ground. Something small like this. Okay, these are the cloakroom, packaging room, raw material room. Okay, but just in case you don't have even a small space like this, NAFDAC even allow you to use something like a shelf or locker to demarcate your cloak, your packaging material locker and your raw material locker. What they just want to see is pure line demarcation. Okay, so cloakroom, packaging room, raw material room. So they assume once you just come inside, check your clothes, wash your hands, pick your packaging material from there, pick your raw material from here, then you enter your production room. This is your production room. Okay, and when you're arranging everything, depending on your SOP, it will follow the sequence of the production. For me, I do spices. So my production is washing, slicing, drying, grinding, and packaging. Okay, so let me assume this is washing. This is my first space. So you cannot have grinding here, then you not have washing here. No, it has to be sequential. Okay, I need to explain this again. Washing, slice, washing here. This is the washing machine. Slicing here, drying, grinding, then packaging. So you cannot have drying here and standing. Then you now go and start having grinding. So it has to follow sequence. So you just get a plumber to do this for you. This is what you're washing here. Okay? Washing here. I started with washing manually because I didn't have washing machine. But as I grow gradually, this is my washing machine. So we now use wash to wash. Okay, so basically we just on our switch and we wash it here. After the washing, you arrange your thing, just I'm telling you, like Nata wanted. After the washing, we slice. After the slicing, this is our work table. And so when I started, I did not have money to construct stainless, so I constructed this. Okay, so this is our workstation. We put all our sliced products inside our dehydrator. Okay, this is 304 food grade stainless dehydrator. Okay, I started with one of these. We now got the second one. Okay, then the third one. Okay, now I think we have about 15 of this dehydrator. Okay, so we're already moving from here. Here is not enough for us. Okay, before the whole of this place is dehydrator. This is some of our raw materials that we have not packed. Okay, they are still here. So we are relocating by the grace of God without a globe. So this is some of our raw materials, and these are some of our products in the market. This is our soul food ginger powder. Beautiful, right? These things, we did this in the small machine. So guys, you can actually start anywhere you are. I'm taking my time to show you this so that you see some of all those things looking so impossible. It is not impossible. Small machine, like Rachel, please move, let me show you like this. Okay, so when I have time, I will actually do some of this things practically so that you see how you can actually do some of all these small things. So these are some of our this is ginger. This is turmeric. Beautiful, right? Beautiful as me. Okay. So this is turmeric. This is our normal pepper. Guys, I can't tell you how this sells like wildfire. This normal pepper, in fact, now bachelors are going to buy a pass. Okay? Then this is onions. With small machine and small startup, you can really do a lot. Okay? So I hope I have been able to. This is not something I disclose anyhow, but for you as well. Okay, because I believe success is sweeter when it is shared. Okay, so this is how I actually started humbly. Okay, so don't give excuse. Even if you don't have a skill that is even as big as my own, you can actually use something very small. For example, instead of your packaging material room, you can have packaging material section. You use locker, or you can have raw material locker. This section. I hope I've answered your question. If you still have other questions that you feel I left out, please leave your comment on the comment section. Thank you so much and have a fabulous day. Thank you.